Hey Guardians, I'm SoulWyvern and you're watching my first Destiny video. Today we're going to do the first story mission, Restoration. I'll be using my Hunter. He's got the Dead Light gear, the House of Wolves Dead Orbit set, with Mask of the Third Man and Venom of Ikahika. The coolest looking cloak in the game in my opinion. My primary is Suros Regime, special is LDR, and one-way ticket will be my heavy. I'm using the Blade Dancer subclass, so this is my skill tree. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll be doing all the story missions on level 30, guys. But of course the basic system of it is the same, just the enemies will be harder and there'll be the heroic modifier.
There's so little left out here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city with that one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again.
Yes, we can do it again, Ghost. And a million times more. So let's do it. Let's go get that warp drive, guys.
A Guardian ship was recently shot down here.
So just seeing, can
If the Fallen haven't gotten to it, there might be parts
I can
we
summon my
salvage.
Sparrow. I won't summon my Sparrow because if you're watching this as a guide for the first time you do this level, you won't be able to summon your Sparrow yet. So I'll stick with that. Some special ammo. Light. I was just pushing the XP border, so I must have just gotten a level up bonus.
The ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can call their last transmission.
Those are big words. Dance party. Yeah guys, sorry if you watch my videos, you probably notice that I tend to sing a lot, especially if I have nothing else to talk about. Sometimes when the
we should check it out.
sorry guys, sorry for talking over you. Especially when there's game music on and I play the game a lot, I tend to get to know the soundtrack. So you might hear SoulWyvern's cover of the Destiny OST from time to time. You can buy that on my website. I'm kidding. Alright, we're going in here. Sorry. Get carried away, just blowing fallen heads off. Haven't done the first mission for a while. It doesn't really tend to show up as the daily heroic.
A map of the entire area.
How much of that can we actually go to?
What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon. Our only hope is where we found our ship.
Yeah.
We have to go back.
Alright, let's go back. Go back to that place that we desperately fled from. But not this time. So yeah, for those of you who've passed the first couple of missions, you'll know that you can travel around
Bad news. It's already in Fallen hands.
you can travel around a lot faster than I actually am right now because the Sparrow is a very efficient means of travel. So yeah, as I said, I'm just doing that to replicate the mission for those who haven't really done the start of the game yet. But yeah, for those of you who haven't gotten the Sparrow yet, good surprise in store for you because that is so much fun when you get that. Bounty. Nice. Here's our first boss of the game, Rixus, the Devil Archon. So I'm just gonna arcblade this guy. And he's buttons. Yeah, careful for these bosses because they tend to have pretty heavy melee attacks. They don't want you to get too close to the boss. Oh. Probably just so that you don't just super the hell out of him. Oh, good. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I have to wipe out the rest of these bodies before the mission is ended. There we go. That's the first mission. Well done, guys.
You just killed an Archon, and we got a warp drive. This could cripple the Fallen. We need to go see the speaker.
Piece of cake. Watch out, Guardians, though. Your journey only gets harder from here. Grabbed that heavy ammo at the very last second. Of course, if you're doing the story for the first time, then you'll have rewards with that. But I don't. So thanks for watching, Guardians. Well done with the first mission, and I'll see you in the next video.